Why is it that in our formal meetings we speak through a chair? It certainly doesn't feel very natural. For example, right now I'm speaking directly to you and not through somebody else. So why do we do it? It's a process that developed over time to help increase our efficiency and effectiveness in meetings, but it also recognizes the fact that people are going to have strongly held opinions for which they're very passionate about. Keep watching this episode of Order of Business, and we'll talk about the top 10 reasons why you should speak through the chair. All right, let's dive in. One, maintains order. By directing remarks through the chair, members can help avoid crosstalk and side conversations and keep the discussion focused. 2, ensures neutrality. The chair acts as a referee, preventing direct confrontations between members and helping to ensure that meetings remain productive and respectful. 3, prevents personal attacks. Directing remarks through the chair can help to mitigate the risk that comments become perceived as personal attacks, thereby maintaining a professional atmosphere. Now, it doesn't eliminate this risk, but it can help lower the temperature. 4, facilitates fair debate. The chair manages the speaking order and time limits, ensures that all members have a fair opportunity to contribute to the discussion. The chair uses the organization's procedural policies if they speak to speaking order and to time limits. And if they don't, they will default to whatever the organization's parliamentary authority says on these matters. 5, upholds procedural integrity. Parliamentary procedure relies on the chair enforcing the rules. Directing remarks through the chair reinforces adherence to these procedures. 6, encourages clarity. The formality of addressing your remarks through the chair encourages members to organize their thoughts and present them clearly, concisely, and leading to a more coherent discussion. 7, promotes inclusivity. By directing remarks through the chair can help ensure that quieter or less assertive members have their chance to be heard and to argue and articulate their ideas equally amongst all the members. 8, avoids escalation. When members debate each other directly, emotions can escalate. The chair is able to help de-escalate this or prevent its escalation by serving as a buffer between passionate members. 9, streamlines communication. The chair acts as a central point for all communications, and in this way is able to help reduce confusion and ensure that the group stays on topic. And finally, 10, reinforces the chair's authority. By directing remarks through the chair, it helps reinforce their authority as presiding officer. It fosters an environment where rules are respected and decisions are legitimate. These 10 points help underscore how directing your remarks through the chair can help create environments of productivity and respectfulness, inclusivity, and effectiveness in your formal meetings. Do any of these points resonate with you? Which ones? Did I miss any good points to add to this list? Are there points that you disagree with? What are your thoughts? Drop them down below in the comment section. How do you feel when you speak through a chair as opposed to talking to a person directly in your formal meetings? I know for myself, I still feel a little awkward speaking through the chair. But maybe that's the point, because it helps slow things down for me. It helps organize my thoughts so that when it is my turn to speak, I am as clear and concise and as thoughtful as I could possibly be otherwise. Meeting adjourned for this episode of Order of Business. If you found this interesting or helpful, please hit the like button and remember to drop any questions that you might have down in the comment section. If you're looking for deeper dives into specific motions or stories on the historic development of parliamentary procedure, why not check out a video in the Parliamentary Inquiry series? For longer conversations around questions related to meetings and meeting rules, check out the Point of Order series. And for insights into how to make your meetings more effective, go to the series Monthly Grind. For now, why not check out one of these two videos here or here, and I will see you next time.